Ecoholics. Today we are going to solve one question related to UGC Net Paper 1, and that is a numerical question, but it has been presented as a case or as a statement and solution. So let's understand the question and solve that question, right? So let's go and look at the question first. Now this question has three statements, okay? Which of the following statement is correct? That is the question. So we have to identify each and every statement. Students usually understand the question but do not identify each and every concept properly, and which is why they might lose marks. So do not lose marks and understand what has been mentioned in each and every statement. So let's go about it. Now first statement is, if A speed is more, then A speed is more than B speed. So let's say if A speed is A and B speed is B and A speed is more than B, then the two travel, then to travel the same distance is same, A will take more time than B. Now with this single statement, definitely you can say that this is not true. Why? Because if A has higher speed or greater speed than B, then to travel the same distance, definitely A will reach faster than B, and so A will not take more time than B. So this statement is definitely incorrect. Okay, incorrect statement. Now let's understand the rest of the two speeds. Now we are looking at option number B. Two speeds, 1500 meter per minute. Usually the standard is meter per second. So here they have given meter per minute. So identify this difference. And 90 kilometer per hour. Hour are equal. So firstly, you need to know the conversions over here. They're very, very simple to understand. Okay. When you need to convert kilometer per hour, okay, into meter per second, because that is the standard. Converting kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so how do you do that? How will you do that? What you will do is, you will take 90, you will multiply that, because 90 is kilometer per hour. So to convert kilometer per hour, so first you'll convert the kilometer. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So you will multiply it by 1000. And in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and each of the minute has 60 seconds. So which is why hour will have 60 into 60, which means 3600 seconds. So this is how you convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, right? Now let's just go about this. Okay, so you have 900 divided by 36. Okay, 9 fours are 36 and hundreds are, okay, and 4 25. Okay, 4 25 is 100. Okay, so which means what? Which means that 90 kilometer per hour is equal to how much? 25. I'll just write it properly. 25 meter per second. Okay. Now what do you have to testify? You have to testify that is it equal to 15 meters per minute? So we also need to convert the minute portion. Okay. Now each minute has how many seconds? 60 seconds, and it is in the denominator. So what we will do is, we will convert 1500 meter per minute into meter per second by just dividing it with 60. Why we are dividing it with 60? Because to convert minute into seconds, each minute has 60 seconds. So we will divide it by 60. Here we have 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15 and 2 25s are 50. So which means what? That yes, 1500 meter per minute equals to 25 meter per second, and 90 kilometer per hour also equals to 25 meter per second. So which means what? Our second statement, two speeds 1500 per minute, meter per minute and 90 kilometer per hour are equal is correct. Okay, this one was incorrect, but the second statement is correct. Now to testify the second statement, we had to do all of these calculations, and which is why you must be very, very fast in doing all of these calculations, right? Now let us go for the last one. Okay, so let me erase this portion. All right. The last C statement is, by walking at a speed of 18 kilometers per hour, the distance covered in 2 minutes 30 seconds is 750 meters. Okay. Now here they have given speed, distance and time. You just have to equate it. Okay. We all know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay. Now what speed is given over here? Speed is 18 kilometer per hour, and we have to check whether it is equal to distance, which is 750 meters, upon time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now because it's easier for us to convert the 2 minutes 30 seconds into seconds, because we already have meters. So let's first convert 2 minutes and 30 seconds all into seconds. Now where each minute has 60 seconds, so 60 plus 60, because 2 minutes, so 60 plus 60 is 120 minutes, and 120 seconds. Okay, and 120 seconds plus 30 seconds is 150 seconds. Okay, just let me write this also so that you all will be having no confusion. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 2 minutes is equal to 60 into 2, right? So 120 seconds plus the remaining 30 seconds will give you 150 seconds. Okay, so now we have 150 seconds total and 750 meters. Okay, and so we first calculate this. Okay, so what is the speed? Speed equals to 750 meter upon 150 seconds. Okay, so 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, and 3 5s are 15. So speed has to be how much? Speed is 5 meter per second. Okay, now 5 meter per second we should get equated to 18 kilometer per hour. Let us testify whether that is true or not, so that we know the statement C is also correct. Okay, so just remember 5 meter per second has been calculated. Okay, now let's calculate 18 kilometer per hour. We all know what has to be done to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. 18 will be multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. Double zero cancel. 18 2s are 36. 2 5s are 10, which means 5 meter per second. So yes, in fact, by walking at a speed of 18 kilometer per hour, which is 5 meter per second, the distance covered will be 2 minutes and 30 seconds, which is 150 seconds and 750 meters of the distance. So this also is correct. So we have statement B and statement C which are correct, while statement A is incorrect. So out of the options that were available in the solution, you had to make A option as incorrect and B and C as correct. Okay, so this was it for this video. Keep liking and sharing our videos, and do comment on the comment section below so that we know more of your suggestions for various other videos. And do subscribe our channel Ecoholics. Thank you.